Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I was thinking we will do some cheap and lazy meal. So let's start with this. This is the meat we got from Costco, $4.49 a pound. I think it's pretty inexpensive. And the very first thing, we will boil it. You can choose to wash it or not. Some people say should not wash. I think I will wash it. So I have washed it. And we will cut it a little bit. Why do I cut it? It's easier to put in the pot. Right, like this. Put in the pot. So I have cut them and put in the pot. I have not yet put any water, any spice, no salt, nothing. This pot is the slowest fire with the meat only, or the ribs or the bones. 排骨. Now I will fill in with cold water. How much cold water? Roughly cover up the meat is good enough. All this water, you can take out the fat and become a soup base, right? So that it's even cheaper, because you can use the soup to make a lot of things. Okay, what else do I put? I can put some ginger. Yes, it's here. Peel off the skin, but does not have to be too precise. Ginger. We do need some ginger peas. A little bit of onion doesn't hurt. Onion, and I have some celery. Why not, right? The big chunky part of the celery. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Celery. These celery are not good for eating raw because it's just too much fiber. It's the chunky part. Put it in. That should be enough. I have some shiitake mushroom, so I can put a little bit of shiitake mushroom. And the good thing about it is that this is only soup, so even the stem, you do not need to waste it. Make it a large cut. Shiitake mushroom. Now it's time to put in the spice. Time to say hello. Hello, salt. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. And this is the time actually you want to clean up your reserve, your pantry reserve. So I will turn the fire strong, and you can put some chicken stock if you like, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cumin seed, some 5 spice if you like. I am not a big fan of too many things. You can put anything you like. I want to clean up this old bay. I want to finish it, so today I am putting a little bit of these things and some chicken powder. No more chicken powder, that should be sufficient. And some more salt, and boil it. Boil it until it is boiling, and then leave it for another 30 minutes, and then we can stop the fire. And this is not delicious at this moment. We will later on stir fry it and put reduce it. This is just get the flavor in it, and the pre-cook stage. Why do I say lazy cooking? Because you do not need to do much. It's the fire that's the job. Why do I say cheap cooking? It costs not very much, right? It should be cheaper than eating tofu. It should be cheaper than eating vegetable. Anyway, so bring it to boil. See you later, alligator. Here's my lid. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is 2 hours later. It took 20 minutes when it is getting to boil, and then another 10 minutes to just simmer it. And after 2 hours later, this is how it looks. It does not look very appetizing, right? So if I want to cook it, I want to eat it, I will make a special sauce with it. And the rest, I will just leave it in the water, put into the refrigerator. If you have enough space for such a big pot, good for you. If not, I put into small containers, and each time if I want to cook some, I use a small patch of it. This one is not so delicious to eat direct, sorry. You can put some salt, which is quite pure, but I would like to make a caramel soya sauce, a mixture of sauce, and reduce it. Okay, and it's already quite soft, very soft, but not soft, so that not as soft as the bone getting out. You do want to have the bone in it. It's just so interesting, so fun to eat it with its bone inside, and then you can just pull it off easily. Now it's actually quite easy to pull it off already. So I think I will put into refrigerator just like this. When it is cold, I can peel off that layer of fat on it. And the soup of it, when I make some tofu soup, make vegetable soup with noodle soup, all can be used very well. Thank you very, very much. Okay, this is ginger, garlic, ginger, and garlic. Okay. Okay, let me turn on the fire. Then we can put some ginger, onion, garlic. And here is the meat. We can put it in and reduce it. We get from the bottom. There is enough oil in it, so you do not need to put any oil. And this is just for reducing it. Okay. So tomorrow, the rest I will leave it for tomorrow. So here it is. Cover it up until it is. Oh no, I cannot use this. So we cover it up. I want it to have I want it to have some better flavor, so I can put some caramel sauce. Let's see. So I have some dairy-free caramel sauce. So there is no cream, no milk, so I can use this. But that one, just let it start. After some time, the sauce water will be reduced, and then we are good. Some soya sauce will do good. Vinegar will do good, black vinegar. Some chili pepper will do good. We have some leftover chili pepper from takeaway food. And our caramel sauce. have some cooking wine, sake. So we can put a little bit of sake. Let it cook, let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. See you later, alligator. Okay, this is 2 minutes later. Let's take a look. Cover it up, let the flavor goes into it, slowly reduce a little bit further. Okay, I think we are good. 1 more minute. Actually, at this time, it's so easy to get brown. Look at it, look at it. So easy to get out. Bon appetito. I then added some extra soup. I just wanted to be completely get in. Now it is good. All the juice is absorbed. Put in the bone is coming out, and we can add some little onion at the top. I think I can put some more juice on it. If next time I do it, a little bit more juice, a little bit slower fire to let it more develop. Since the juice is, I burned it a little bit too much. What else do I want to say? It's oh gosh, it's full of flavor, and the bone is so easily getting out. Look at it. You do not need any effort. The bone is it's so easy to get out. A little bit loose its shape, but it's very, very delicious. And I used my caramel sauce. So if you do not use caramel sauce, you can put some sugar in it, whichever way. Bye bye, friends. Oh, this is tough if you are watching it at night. Thank you very, very much. Bye bye, friends.